Hey everybody, you know how you see all those really great videos of agents showing you just like some fabulous houses, and you think, oh, real estate must be really easy. Well, it can be easy, and it can be fun, and it can be glamorous, but there's also another side of real estate, and that's the really hard stuff. Like when your client calls and tells you that she needs to get her mother's home sold, that they've been allowing their family members to live in for 14 years, who have never paid rent, who have never paid the taxes, who have never paid the insurance, and who have never made any repairs. Oh, what joy. So when I thought this cute little home up in Sherman might get them maybe $150,000, I was completely depressed when I came up here to see this house. But I owe it to my client to help her. I know how to get it done. There are a lot of issues, like the fact that her mother died without a will, and so did her father, and so did her brother. So we have to do all these different heirship affidavits, and it's really complicated. So I want to show you what I get to do today. It's not always glamorous, but I do my job. That's what I do. And so here's what I'm going to show you. First of all, here's the neighborhood. Love the neighbors are having a fun little party. Okay, now when I got here, it turned out that the tenants, when they moved out, they damaged the step. So it's missing a step, and I had to climb up onto the porch. Oh my gosh, if we had smell-o-vision, you would be dying right now. When I first came over here to see this home, should I call it a home? They were living here, and it smelled like cigarette smoke, so I didn't stay very long. I really think we should keep that. All right. Oh, I've got to hold my nose. It is so bad. All right. So this is how the family member left this home in appreciation for all of the years that they were allowed to stay here. I can't even go through that room. All of the years they were allowed to stay here for free. This is what they do. So please, if you ever have a family member or a friend who wants to rent from you, please let me help you. Please let me make sure that you have someone who will really take care of your property. This is, I'm having a really hard time with this. I actually do have it under contract. And pretty much all the investors are grossed out by it. I'm falling through the floor almost here. This is a dangerous house, but let's see. You guys wish me luck. Okay. If anybody can get it sold, you know I can. That's what I do. Sell houses. Y'all call me when you're ready to get your property sold. And my advice right now, buy land. It's a lot easier. Just buy land.